Hello friends. We welcome you to our channel Trading Tapes. The chat is open in front of you. You can see my trade. You can see my balance. If you want to trade, there is a Telegram link in the description below. Please join it, do it and contact us. We will also give you signals. If you have any questions regarding trading, you can ask them. We are here for you. Anyone who wants free signals can contact us on Telegram. Message join if you are new to the channel. Then subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends.